Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to draw guidelines in DaVinci Resolve. So to do this, all you have to do is go to your effects and then go to your effects generators and then locate your solid line. So your solid line, you just want to place it in your timeline right here. So let's just expand it right here, as you can see. So there you go. So once we go to our solid line right here, all we have to do is go to your inspector, generator, and then choose anything but your color black. Press OK, head on to your settings, and then now all you have to do is go to your cropping, crop your left, crop your right, crop your top, and your bottom, depending on your preference. So you can also move this of course to your left and right. So your Y position controls your up and down, your X position controls your left and right, and there you go. Now you have a guideline in DaVinci Resolve. It's just that simple. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.